Most people think of hypnotism where a doctor swings a pendulum in front of your face from side to side. I've noticed that when Donald Trump gives a speech, he often uses the same motion side to side with his hands, and it's a hypnotic motion. Scientists have discovered that the hypnotism motion of your eyes moving from side to side is very similar to dream sleep, what they call rapid eye movement sleep, where your eyes dart from side to side. And I wonder if Trump is doing this on purpose to tap into the subconscious minds of his listeners. Take a look at these videos and tell me what you think. This is the same as this.